Hello my kittens, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited about this video because we are going to be reviewing the brand new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mini Orgy Palette plus one of his glosses. I just got it in the mail yesterday. I haven't tested it out at all, so we are going to be doing a first impressions and you are going to see my initial reaction to this palette. So we are going to review the packaging. I'm going to do some swatches on my arm so you guys can see the colors. And I'm also going to put some of it on my eyes and face so you guys can get the full effect. So if you are ready to dive in, then keep on watching. Let's get into the Mini Orgy Palette. Oh my goodness guys, the packaging is shocking. This is what the unicarton looks like. It's a whole bunch of nude bodies laying together of every skin tone and shade. And this is going to be a nude collection, so he really took that phrase literally and made his packaging look like this, which I think is so cool. Yes, is it a little shocking to some? Sure, but like I love the originality and I love how different it is. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what it looks like on the inside. This is what the palette looks like on the inside. I think for a mini palette, it's actually a very good size. It has some weight, and I'm gonna go in closer so you guys can see some of the detail. So this is what it looks like up close. It has the bodies in the background just like the unicarton did. And the color scheme for this palette is rose gold and also pink, and it kind of has some nudes in it as well. Okay guys, it's time for the grand reveal, and let's open this baby up. Ooh, I'm so excited, and oh wow. Okay guys, I'm gonna go a little bit closer so you guys can see. This is the Mini Orgy Palette opened up. As you guys can see right up here, it has the plastic shade protector. So I'm just gonna put this down. But this is what the shades look like. Oh my goodness. All 9 of these shades are different shimmers, which I love. And you have the gold, you have like this pretty pink shimmer, and you have this diamond. And we're gonna go into all of them. I'm gonna do some swatches, but this is what it looks like. Please go ahead down in the comments and let me know what your first impressions is, because like right now I love it. I'm definitely a shimmers girl, so I'm so excited to get into this. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the first row and put it on my arm so you guys can see. We're jumping into Glass Wet, Champagne Drip, and Gagging. So let's do our first impressions. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'll put it here. This one is Glass Wet. Ooh, nice. It's a very shimmery, light silver color. Oh, and it has like real reflexes of like pieces of glitter, if you know what I'm talking about. The next one is Champagne Drip. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at that. That is blinding. Look, ooh, love that. And then the last one is Shade Gagging. Shade Gagging is like if Glass Wet and Champagne Drip had a baby. It's like very, very golden. It kind of has like the same glitter as Glass Wet, but it's not as like shiny as Champagne Drip. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the second row. We're going to do Soaking Sun, Frozen Fire, ooh, and then the last one we're gonna do Bathhouse. Now before I swatch it, I do have to say, these shimmers are so smooth to the touch and creamy, like, oh, I'm obsessed with them right now. So right next to my old shimmers, I'm going to do Soaking Sun right here. Ooh, wow. That is a blinding gold. I love that. That's gorgeous. And then next to it, we're going to do Frozen Fire. This is what the Frozen Fire looks like. You got that pink metallic. That is so pretty. I love that one. And then lastly, we're doing Bathhouse right next to it. Ooh. And that's kind of like a gray shimmer. Okay guys, let's do the last row. We're gonna dip into Explicit, Foam Party, and Eiffel Tower. So Explicit kind of looks to me like an army green brown shimmer. I know that kind of sounds like an ugly color, but it actually looks really pretty in person. And let's swatch it out right here. Ooh, gorgeous. Let's go into Foam Party right next to it. Ooh. So Foam Party and also Explicit are not as blinding as the other two, and I'm gonna be honest, like when I touch it and feel it, it's not as creamy as the first 6. It's kind of more, I don't like to say the word dry, but it's just a little bit less like smooth to the touch. So maybe that has something to do with why it's not as vibrant as the first 6 colors. But also, like, maybe that's good because, like, not everyone wants to have, like, an extreme eye-popping moment. Sometimes you just need, like, a little shimmer to put over your eyeshadow just to give it, like, some oomph. So I'm not really knocking it. I'm just pointing out that it's not as bright as these. All right? Let's go into the last one, which is Eiffel Tower, and it's a brown shimmer. Ooh. That's gorgeous. Like I said, they're just like Explicit and Foam Party. Not as bright, but I do love it. I've actually never seen a brown shimmer shade, so that's really cool to see. Hi guys, I just wanted to cut over here to show you what the shades look like out in the sunlight. And they are even more blinding and more gorgeous out here than in my studio. So yeah, I love it. So I am gonna test maybe 3 of these shimmers on my face because as you guys can see, my face is looking a little bare. Like I feel naked right now. This is not me. I need to have some shimmer somewhere on my eyes, in my inner corner, on my cheeks. So I think that this palette would be perfect to kind of spruce up my makeup look. So I think I wanna test out Soaking Sun, Glass Wet, and Gagging. So I'm going to take my packer brush right here and I'm going to dip into Soaking Sun first and I'm going to put it on my eyelid. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but right now I kind of have like a brown, like semi-smoky eye going on. So I'm just going to put the shimmers right here on my lid to kind of pop it out a little bit more. So I brought you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see what I'm doing and how it looks like on my lid. But I have my star mirror right here just for the occasion. And I'm going to put that really nice golden shimmer called Soaking Sun right on my eyelid. So let's go ahead. Oh yeah, that is absolutely gorgeous. That is so me. I love doing a gold eye and it really brings this eye look together. Okay guys, this is what that looks like. I love it. I can definitely see myself wearing this shade all the time. Next, I'm going to jump into shade Glass Wet, and I'm going to use that for my inner corner highlight. So let's dip in. I have my small little tiny concealer brush. Ooh, little bit of fallout, but as we guys know, it's just what happens. It's nothing that has to do with the palette. It's fine. So I have a little bit, and let's go in and put it in my inner corner. Ooh. Yeah, so it is very blinding, as you guys can see. Oh, I love that. I'm going to close my eyes so you guys can get the full effect. Yes, very, very pretty. Ooh, oh, yes, I feel awake. I feel like you guys can actually see my makeup. So I want to do this in real life because it might be too much shimmer, but I do want to dip into this brown shimmer color because I really like it. It's called Eiffel Tower. And I'm going to take a little bit and I'm just going to put it under my eye just so we can play with more shades. So I'm just going to drag it across just like that. And we are going to put it under our eyes. Okay, you know what? Maybe I might do this in real life because this is pretty. I wish you guys can like see the full effect. Do you see like the shimmery brown at the bottom? It's so pretty. Like, I wish I had a flashlight so you guys can see the full pop, but like, oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Like, I would want that as like an everyday color because I feel like it matches so well with my skin tone. Lastly, guys, we are going to jump into shade Gagging, and I'm just going to use that as a highlighter shade. So I have my highlighter brush right here. We're just going to sweep it across like that, and I'm going to put it on the high points of my cheek right here. So, ooh, oh yeah, that would be a perfect highlighter. I'm not done, but like, look at that shine. Woo! I feel like the sun just landed on my face. I'm also gonna take a little bit and put it on my nose bridge. We'll put some like right here. Ooh! Give me like a little Rudolph moment. Put some right here. Yes. And you know what? I'll just put also a little bit on my Cupid's bow right here. Oh, wow. Yes. Woo. I feel like I am beaming to the gods right now. I love a shimmer. So this is definitely me. I love it. I think the eyes are beautiful, and I can tell that this is going to be one of my everyday palettes for sure. So the last thing I want to show you guys is one of the glosses. This is what the packaging looks like. It's this very pretty rose gold metallic color, and then it has pink lettering, which I think is gorgeous. This gloss is called Tabletop, and it even has the color of the shade right on the top of the packaging. So let's go ahead and open her up and let's see what we're working with. This is what it looks like, guys. Oh my gosh, I think it's so pretty. Every time he has a new collection, he changes the color of the top part, and so this time it's this nude color with a rose gold accent around it, and I think that it's so pretty. I picked this color because I wanted a nude gloss, and I feel like this color goes best with my skin tone, and I think that this is kind of the nude for me. So I'm going to swatch this on my arm just to see what I'm working with. Okay. This is what the tip looks like, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it right here in my arm real quick. Ooh. Yeah, it's exactly what I hoped it would be. I mean, obviously on my skin tone, you can't really see like the brown tint to it, but it's there. And also, if you look closely, it has little pieces of purple glitter in it. And it's so pretty. And actually, if you shift your arm, it goes from purple to like gold, which I think is so cool. Okay, let's see what it looks like on my lips. I have it, and I'm gonna go here. Oh. Yeah, that is so pretty. I need my mirror. Oh, it's so pretty. It's very smooth. The formula doesn't feel too sticky or heavy. I think that it'd be a nice everyday gloss. And I think that this would be a really good nude gloss for me. Ooh. That is gorgeous. I would wear this every day. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go add some mascara and eyeliner off camera so my eyes don't look so just open. And also, I just love to put on mascara anyways. But when I come back, I'm going to have my finished look, and then we are going to give our final impressions on his new collection. So, guys, I will be right back right now. Hello guys, I am back and I have my completed look. I added some mascara, eyeliner, as well as a brown lipstick with the gloss on top. And I have to say, I love this look. Like, this would be one of my going out looks, or even like if I did a little bit less shimmer, it would be one of my everyday looks. So this is what it looks like up close. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with my lips. Like, I love it. I'm gonna close my eyes so you guys can see. This is what it looks like, and it is stunning. Okay, guys, let's jump into my final thoughts. So guys, I love this palette. I think that it is gorgeous. I think it's great for everyday wear, as well as if you're trying to get glammed up for a night out or whatever. I think that these shimmer shades can make any look pop. And not only can you use it on your eyelids, but you can also use it as a highlighter just like I did. For the lip gloss, I love the lip gloss as well. Like, as you can tell, my lips look so good and the formula is not sticky at all. It doesn't feel like I have like a whole line of Gorilla Glue on my mouth when I talk, and my lips are not sticking together, which I think is fantastic. Alright guys, that completes this video. I had such a fun time reviewing this collection, and if you guys want to see me review more palettes, then please let me know down in the comments, because this is one of my favorite things to do. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and a comment down below, and also turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I post a new video. If you want to check out my last video, click here and also click this button here to subscribe. I love you, my kittens. Thank you so much for watching. I am gonna go find something to do because I feel too pretty to go back and sit on the couch. So with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!